people. I just get home, but they keep me saying you're bad, just a little too loud. We stand just a little too low. I don't know. I didn't want to sing too loud because I don't want to wake up Robert and Nancy. My throat's sore. I've had a sore throat for a month and a half. And this is not an acoustic environment that's suitable to request this from me.
You gotta know, I'm not just some guy. Brennan.
Right down the block. Yep. Yeah.
I'm getting a really good feeling about this.
I'm so glad.
Give us that 10 years Stone Road. I think we got a deal.
Hey, you fuckers! Welcome to the neighborhood. My name is Brett.
The neighbor is a Nazi?
You guys ever need fertilizer? I've got a lot of it. Close to 80.
Oh, yes! Yes! Callaway 3.
Yeah! I thought we'd roll out.
Happy birthday!
Oh, you got that.
All right, that's it. I'm waking him up. Oh, that's a mess.